Yo, it's SmallmouthCrush. We're not on the water today. We're doing a little bit of boat work. Some maintenance, some much needed maintenance. So this video is going to be a little different. No fish catches. It's all coming up. All right, so today we're in an abandoned church parking lot working on my boat. We got Ryan with us. What's up?
What's up?
What are you doing, man?
Changing the lower unit oil.
Lower unit oil. So this video is all about the lower unit oil. So it's a pretty exciting video. So what do you recommend? This has to be changed what?
Every 20 hours.
Every 20 hours.
If you don't want it to fly apart, every 20 hours.
So I'm at about 200 hours since the last change, so we should be good.
Yeah, you're probably good.
Good. Really? 20 hours?
That's what Mercury recommends.
Okay.
On the Torque Master.
Okay. Well, I learned something new today.
But 200 is probably pretty good.
Yeah, we're good. So what are we doing? We took off the prop.
Yeah, we're going to try and get this off, and it looks like I'm going to need a socket because
Okay.
Or a screwdriver.
So it's a 10 millimeter or a screwdriver?
Yeah, 10 millimeter is probably the best though.
Okay. I don't like the metric system.
Well, Mercury does.
Yeah.
On some stuff, and then some stuff not so much. So, but a 10 millimeter is a nice round number.
So you took that screw out.
Yep.
And you have to come over here and take that out.
You got it.
Now stuff's starting to come out right now.
Yep. And when you do it, you make sure you don't lose these little yellow washers.
Okay.
Very important. There's one on there too. I got to get it off.
Oh, it's
Without
still
that,
in there.
You'll no longer have oil in your lower unit.
Okay.
So you don't want to lose that. So you put the washer back on there. Make sure they're on both of them.
Okay.
Right there. See yellow?
Yep. Dull yellow and bright yellow.
You're supposed to replace them every time, but those yellow ones you don't have to.
Okay.
They're very durable. Rubber.
Sure.
So just make
So this is what we recommend using. This is a Quicksilver Gear Lube 90.
Same as Mercury.
Same as Mercury. You can get this at Walmart, 10 bucks.
Yeah, it's dirt cheap.
Yep.
The dealers won't like hearing that, but
No, they like doing this and charging you what?
probably 15, 18
Yeah,
for Mercury. Same stuff.
it's all good. So at this point, my lovely GoPro decided to lose audio. So you got my lovely voiceover here on out. So we purchased a pump from Walmart as well. That just screws on right where the oil was coming out. And then it's going to take almost a quart, I believe, just shy of that quart of oil. And you just pump it back in there. Didn't take too long, a couple of minutes. You don't want to put a whole lot. You just want enough so it starts to come out of that top hole. And once that starts to fill up, then we just put the cap back in there, the screw. Then, of course, once you have that cap on, you pull out the hose and you quickly put the other screw in. Block that oil from coming back out. And tighten her back up. Real simple. I've been taking this down to a mechanic every time. I was joking. I do it at least twice a year. 2 to 3 times a year. And this is so much easier. I never pay attention. I never realized that, this is something you can do in your driveway. Fairly quick and save some money. For sure. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up our video on how to change your lower unit oil. We're still working hard here. We got some changes to the boat. We're going to have a lot of changes coming to SmallmouthCrush moving forward. A lot of stuff going on, guys. I appreciate you checking out the video. If you found this through a random, YouTube search on how to change a lower unit oil, anything like that, I do put out a lot of great fishing content, a lot of smallmouth fishing up in northern part of the country, a lot of fishing on the Chesapeake Bay for largemouth. Wisconsin, you name it, how-to videos, how to drop shot, how to throw a hair jig, how to throw a weenie worm, what type of crickets to use, when and where, everything. It's all there. So I encourage you guys to check out some of my other videos. All right, guys, don't forget to leave any comments and likes below. And as always, until next time, we'll see you on the water. Any final thoughts, Ryan?
What's up, Tommy?
See ya.